tremor in the shifting sky, the glow of distant memories drifting by. A fractured highway bends beneath the light, where broken thoughts rise slowly into the night. I hear a whisper from the other side, a fading sound I could never hide. The closed door stands waiting in the haze, inviting all my shadows through the maze. Something stirs beneath the woven dark, the silent question searching for a mark. Through the sounds of the closed door, I walk the fragile lines of fate. Every moment is spinning too, reveals a glimpse of something new. A distant tremor shakes the fading scene, a map of visions where I've never been. The colors twist stack nerves beneath the skin, a signal asking where it all begins. A silent corridor of shifting light, a place where every lost is really bright. I walk between the sounds and the flame, and feel the pull of every whispered name. The air grows thin around the turning line, shadows merge with thoughts once mine.